Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Amadeus inside Kingshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is log into Kingshot. From here we need to click onto Heroes. So click onto Heroes. Now this is where all your heroes are kept and Amadeus is here. So click onto him, and now in order to recruit him, you need to collect 20 shards. So if I click on the plus side, we need to get 20 Amadeus shards. We can do this by naturally playing through the game, or we can go ahead and buy or purchase VIP packs or Hall of Governors, so obtained through Hall of Governor events. So if I want to go ahead and buy a VIP pack, I'm going to click on go. Then from here we got VIP special pack. We can go ahead and purchase that. Now if I head back, now the other way is to do it is click on the plus icon, Hall of Governors, click on to go, and here it is here, Hall of Governors, and you can see hero of the season is Amadeus.